What are you doing? Is your baby going potty? Yeah, sit it down. Let it go potty. And on that one, what about this baby? What about this baby? It needs to go potty. Oh, okay. Oh, it did nasty? Are you going to go potty? Oh. Here. What about your baby? What about this baby?
Huh?
This one? It needs to go potty somewhere too. Here. This baby needs to go potty. Uh-oh. Oh. Okay. Here, get that one. Put that baby. Man, it's hard work potty training two babies. Oh, you already flushed it. You already flushed it. No, you don't need to push it again. You already flushed it.
No.
Yes, you did.
Go. Cooking.
Go. Where do you want me to go?
Cooking.
You want me to get out of here?
Yeah.
You need to go potty?
I can't.
You can't? All right.